Figure I'd shoot a quick update since it's been 2-3 weeks since I posted anything. I haven't had a lot of time to work. I've had a lot of personal stuff going on. We were involved in two weddings, and when I say involved, I was a groomsman on one, and my wife was the maid of honor on another. So, those are kind of consuming our lives. And currently, it's December 26th, 27th, 27th. Time's flying. So. Yeah, holidays and all that. Haven't had a lot of time to do motorcycle work. So, but well, I've done a little bit here and there. Um, this thing is a disaster, and I'm not gonna say I'm giving up on it, but yeah, this damn fuel tank, man. Uh, I think it's gonna come down to a replacement. I've been looking online. I'll have a decision after I've posted this video, and then of course next video I'll update on how it goes. But I've tried it. I don't know how many times now. I think 3 times total. Probably one time since I've last made a video. But trying to get this thing to seal in this hole. It's just not happening. The hole is just not true. It's too distorted, and even with that big thick O-ring, it's not holding gas. I just tried it yesterday I put some sealant on there, and I tried again. This Formagasket Permatech stuff every freaking AutoZone sells, and it held most of the way around except just one little corner was leaking. So I'm kind of at a loss at this point on how to make this fuel tank work. Clearly, when I got it, it had that bizarre, I always reference it, the duct tape and whatnot. Who knows, maybe that is the right answer to deal with this thing. I'm going to do a little bit more research before I make any big decisions on it, but I'm going to guess that this fuel tank is not going to survive and we're going to have to move on, which really sucks because, as anyone who's been following this project knows, put a lot of work into getting this fuel tank ready. Spent a lot of money on just putting the sealant in there, the fuel tank landing. And boy, am I going to be frustrated if I have to do that again. That was a big pain in the ass project. And I don't want to do that again. So we'll see. But anyway, I figured I'd give a quick update. I probably will do a few little things here and there and not actually film. I just don't have time to put a big filming thing together. So we'll see how it goes. Next time I have something big to do, I'll put it together and I'll actually make a video. But